Hi guys, if you've not seen the channel before, I'm Andy, that's Emily and that's Corda, and we're the Brother Bear YouTube channel. Just a little update on the puppy scenario. If you've not watched last week, subscribe and keep up with our videos. And I think we've decided we're going to go for it and we're going to see what happens. So the plan is, what we're going to do is we're going to head down the night before and we're going to book ourselves on a campsite, or well, it's not technically a campsite, it's just a little stay over behind a pub, the same place we had tea in the last video. So we're going to do that. We're going to have a few drinks on a night, celebrate getting the puppy, not too many though, because first thing in the morning we have to go down and collect him. So on the week leading up to getting the puppy, obviously it's an exciting time. So what the plan is we're going to get him tired and we're going to get him calm, ready for when the puppy comes. We've been doing a ton of shopping, toys, everything you can think of.
Lots of things.
A protein bar, over 50% meat, 9 grams protein, chicken with sweet potato and broccoli. Not for human consumption. I bet you his head when he's fully grown fills that, and it's bigger than your head. That's a really good idea. Awesome, friendly and nervous.
This one big. A grey one. That's sitting on.
Very nice.
Brother. I like him. How snuggly he is. Yeah, look how snuggly he is. I still love you, don't mind me. So if any of you's got any advice on how to introduce a big dog to a small puppy, let us know. I don't think we'll have any issues, as he is big friendly giant. His best friend's a little Jackarower who steals all his toys off him. So I don't think we'll have any issues with sharing.
So if anyone's interested in more, seeing more of us, me, Emily and Corda, subscribe to the Brother Bears YT channel, follow us on Instagram, Camping with Corda, Camping with a K. Cheers guys.